Hey, it's boy Crypto Expat. Thanks for coming back and checking out this video. Today we're going to review Cudus. So it's an ICO that just launched. It's about an hour old. So let's get into the video right now. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so as soon as I upload these new vids, you get notified straight away. So Cudos, it's got this weird looking thing on the website, kind of follows your website cursor. So that is interesting. Cudus, the infrastructure token for Web 3.0. So I've watched this little intro video, a little bit about what it does. And essentially what they're trying to do with this is they've got a decentralized platform that pulls resources, computing power from your PC, whether it's from your hard drive itself, your processor and your hard drive, or your graphics card GPU. So these are the different components on your computer, if you're not sure, that can essentially do computing power. And what they do is you can allow it to connect to their platform and contribute some of your resources from your PC or laptop, and you can get paid by doing that. Okay. Now you've only got a laptop or a PC, so it's not like you're running your own high-end server or anything like that. Where they're getting the computing power is from users, so retail customers. So instead of running expensive data centers like Google and Facebook, this is a decentralized, data center from hundreds and thousands of computers all connecting up to accomplish, certain jobs, certain goals, collectively, if you want to call it that way. Cudus network, AMD Serve hardware encrypted validated network, and then you got the integrated smart contracts for blockchains and the layer 2 Oracle compute network. Benefits of decentralization: governance, voting, staking, wallet, multi-chain, and development. The solution: a greener, more cost-effective, stable compute network. Cudus is a 2-layer Oracle governed by smart contracts and connecting blockchain developers and services, including DeFi, to a global footprint of computing power on the Cudo platform. Cudo is a distributed computing platform already providing customers around the world with up to 10x more cost-effective computing, whilst providing more equity for hardware owners. So there's basically 20,000 nodes, over 140,000 users, 50 teraflops of computing power, and live in 145 countries. Alright, so this is the roadmap. Obviously more to come in 2021. The marketplace, 2-layer solution for Ethereum and Algorand, which are different blockchains, hardware encryption, and a compute validation testnet in Q1 21. So let's just have a look at the token breakup. It's an ERC20 token. This is more about docs and how to run validator nodes to either stake or become a validator, or you can be a delegated. You can do delegated staking as well. Okay, how to earn from dApps, how to publish your dApp. So the benchmarking includes GPU, CPU, memory, storage, and networking capabilities, as a platform will support workloads incorporating all these resources in the future. Based on these capabilities, Cudo platform determines the most profitable task for each hardware and switches automatically to cryptocurrency mining when there is no distributed computing workloads are available or profitable. Okay, so what they've said there is basically if you want to earn money with Cudos, you can, but once your computer sits there idle, they'll use your CPU or GPU. So CPU is your processor, like an Intel processor in your laptop or computer. And your GPU is your graphics card, which is used to mine Ethereum. And when you're working on your computer or your laptop, you hear it like revving up and something's going on in the background, right? It doesn't necessarily slow your computer down, but it takes resources away, all right? And essentially what they're doing is they're using those resources to mine cryptocurrency, okay? And it can get annoying because your computer can slow down and it looks like it's frozen. That's because whatever resources that they're using on your computer is stopping your computer functioning as you're using it. So that can be very annoying, that's for sure. Okay, so now that we talked about what it basically is, I guess you could say not a file sharing network, but a massive computer sharing network, or I guess the Uber of computational hardware distributed over thousands of computers in thousands of locations. People sit at their laptops and PCs. That's basically where they're getting the computational power from. These are just the docs. Talks a little bit about proof of staking and validator nodes and all that sort of good stuff if you want to get involved with what they're doing. A little bit about the roadmap. There's 10 billion tokens. So it's an Ethereum ERC20 and there's 10 billion. Let me have a look. Let's count these zeros. That's a million. Yeah, 10 billion tokens. That is a large supply. Also, the token distribution, I don't know why. Have they done this purposely or what? I don't know. They've just purposely made it small. Okay, the team is visible. It's quite a large team, and then the advisors are also large. And I'm assuming that's why the advisors are getting 5% of the total coins, so 5% of 10 billion. And the team's getting 20% of 10 billion, so based off that, the team is getting 2 billion coins. Yeah, that's quite a lot. Okay. Usually they take about 10%, but in this case they're 20%. So I don't like that. It's a little bit greedy in my opinion. Yeah, and you can actually take part of this, be a part of this network if you want to earn Cudos. Alright, so hopefully that makes sense on what it is. Whether you're going to invest in it or not, that's the question. The supply is very high. There's 10 billion tokens. So really, if you want to be part of it, you have to, I guess, hodl long term. It is listed on Bitmax. It listed on Bitmax about an hour ago. So it's actually launched. It's already launched as I'm making this video. So this is the price here on Bitmax. Currently, it's $2 cents, 2.73 cents. Basically, that's what it is. Okay. It's gone up a bit. When it moved, it went up to 3.1 cents. Now it's at 2.6 cents. All right. So it is live. You can actually get it now if you want to. However, I would say that this is not the first time they've tried to do decentralized computing power using people's resources on their laptops and PCs, and then diverting that computational power to their network and then paying you a reward, essentially, in more tokens, okay? So, yeah, look, I would be two minds about this one because I don't like the large supply, and there's 20% that's going to be kept by the team, 5% by their advisors. So there's already 25% of the total supply gone. It just seems a little bit greedy, a bit rich for me to invest in, and they've got so much coins, and they would have got them cheap as well, much cheaper what you're going to be paying now on Bitmax for 2.7 cents. Definitely much cheaper, so you're already at a disadvantage there. Long term, look, I'm not sure where this would go long term. They're claiming they got what do they say? They had 140,000 users, 20,000 nodes already in 145 countries. So that's very interesting. They have an ambassador program. Yeah, alright, so let's just kind of look at Bitmax. Let's just sort of look at the price. So it's at 2.6 cents at the moment. Now keep in mind there's 10 billion tokens. I would say that right now, I don't think it'd be a good entry point to get into if you were to buy this, because those other people that have bought it, they've bought it at a much lower price than you. So when they start to hit the market with their tokens, you essentially, they will be selling your tokens they got cheap to you, and probably 10 or 20xing it when you buy it. So just keep that in mind. Okay, I can't see it on CoinGecko at the moment. They haven't listed it. So again, it is very new. It's literally just come out about 2 hours ago, and it's been running on Bitmax. All right. So they're my thoughts on Cudus. I think that if you get at the right price, you can flip it, but I'm not sure about it long term. There's been many other projects that have tried to do very similar things, and if you participate in the staking and earning rewards, they can use your computational resources off your computer. If they're not doing jobs, they're going to use it to mine cryptocurrency using your laptop. It makes sense, doesn't it? Because when you've got, I don't know, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100,000, a million people out there, all with laptops and all with PCs, and you're essentially using their hashing power or their computational power, and redirecting that processing computational power back to Cudos, their website, their platform. So something to think about anyway. Let me know, is this something that you want to get in? It is live on Bitmax. I'll put all the links below to what I talked about. If you want to participate, you can buy it on Bitmax now. Oh wow, it's gone up. It's jumped as of making this video. It's gone from 2.8 to 3.1. See, just went boom right then, a few seconds ago. So someone's just bought a whole bunch. It's at 3.1 cents and there's 10 billion coins, so I think that's a little bit overvalued at the moment. Maybe because the supply is not completely out there, so it's pushing the price up. So that'll be interesting once the rest of the supply is released, or through vesting, or when team and advisors can release, can unlock their tokens. They will sell it on the open market, which will cause dilution, which will force the price down. Let me know, are you going to take part of this ICO? I'll put all the links below if you're interested, including the link to Bitmax. Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Hit that bell notification and that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50 plus HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.